Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Richmond on the North Coast and we are going to discuss the Morant Bay Urban Center being built at the wrong location. Now, the urban center is a massive development, game-changing development, one of the nicest developments you're going to find in Jamaica. But it was built at the wrong location. It was built in Morant Bay. Now, to date, only one tenant has opened a store in the Morant Bay Urban Center. It has over 80 stores in there. And KFC to date is the only store that has opened. The others, nowhere close to opening. And the majority of the facility has no tenants. So it's clear to say it's not working. If that facility was built on the North Coast, out here, look at how much land, endless land. Everywhere you look, you just see empty land. So space would not have been a problem to build it on the North Coast. Money is not an issue because the government built it. Hall is the fastest growing area in Jamaica, and Hall is just on the outskirts of Ocho Rios. The area between Ocho Rios and Montego Bay is booming with activity. That's when we refer to the North Coast. There is so much demand for space or commercial space in Hall that the plazas cannot be built fast enough. So can you imagine if you had this massive urban center built out here? It would have been booked out already. It would have been leased out. Probably all 80 stores would have been open already. In Morant Bay, one store open. One. Now, the rent that they charge for the Morant Bay Urban Center is beyond ridiculous. You can't get that kind of rent for St. Thomas and expect the urban center to be fully booked out. On the North Coast, you can get that kind of rent because the economic activity on the North Coast is so much more. You have a bigger population and a lot more business activity takes place on the North Coast. So it was a huge blunder to build it in Morant Bay. And as to why they built it there, we can just say politics had a lot to do with it. So we are going to go through and give you an update on this urban center. And guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. The Morant Bay Urban Center was envisioned as a transformative mixed-use development designed to modernize St. Thomas and stimulate economic growth in eastern Jamaica. While the intention behind the project was to bring development to an underserved parish, there is a strong argument that the urban center might have achieved greater commercial success if it had been constructed along Jamaica's north coast instead. The North Coast is home to some of the island's most vibrant economic zones, including Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, Negril, Hall, and Runaway Bay. These towns benefit from high tourist arrivals, established hotel corridors, cruise ship ports, and international airports. With steady visitor traffic and strong private investment, commercial developments in these areas typically experience higher demand for retail space, offices, restaurants, and entertainment facilities. In a large mixed-use urban center similar to Morant Bay's, if a large mixed-use urban center similar to Morant Bay's had been built on the North Coast, it would likely have attracted immediate occupancy from international and local brands, investors, and businesses seeking proximity to tourism flows. The built-in market of visitors and tourism workers would provide constant economic activity, increasing foot traffic and boosting rental returns. Investors are generally more confident placing capital in regions where infrastructure, visibility, and purchasing power are already strong. In contrast, Morant Bay, though strategically positioned for long-term growth, does not yet have the same economic momentum. St. Thomas has historically lagged behind western and northern parishes in commercial development. As a result, large-scale projects there face the challenge of generating demand rather than tapping into an already established market. While the goal of decentralizing development and stimulating eastern Jamaica is commendable from a purely commercial standpoint, a North Coast location may have provided quicker profitability and stronger early success. The tourism-driven economy, international connectivity, and existing infrastructure of the North Coast could have amplified the impact of such a development. Ultimately, the debate reflects the difference between economic strategy and commercial efficiency. A North Coast location may have made the urban center more immediately successfully financially. Okay, so that's the end of the update. So, guys, let us know what you think. I think the urban center would have been more beneficial to Jamaica being built on the North Coast, somewhere between Ocho Rios and Montego Bay. And as you can see from the video, endless acres of land, so much land. And even though you have to remember, Jamaica's major foreign exchange earner is tourism. So you have to put all the infrastructure in around these tourism corridors. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.